By the end of this video, you will have found how a CRM can improve the value and resilience of your business in 5 ways. Firstly, I will show you how it can protect your revenue. Secondly, you will see how it can make your marketing messages more effective. Thirdly, we will look at how it can help you to convert more prospects. Fourthly, it will show you how you can personalize the service that you provide to clients. And lastly, it can be used to create unbeatable sales propositions. CRM is an approach to business and a system which helps you to manage the relationships you've got with your clients. And that makes perfect sense, because you don't have a business unless you've got clients and prospects. And the value of your business is the value of the relationships you have with them. So CRM is a way of managing the relationships you've got with your clients and prospects, which adds value. How does CRM add value to the relationships you've got with your clients and prospects? Well, it does that in 4 ways. Firstly, it helps you to know more about them than your competition. Secondly, it helps you to use that information so that you can communicate with them as individuals, which makes your communications more powerful. Thirdly, it helps you to listen and, much more importantly, to understand what your clients and prospects are saying to you. And that's important because, fourthly, it means that you can deliver exactly what they want when they want it. By doing that consistently every time, you build trust, which leads to referrals and continuing business. But how does a CRM help you to know more about your clients and prospects than your competition does? When I talk to businesses about the challenges they have around information, they talk to me about 4 things. Firstly, they want that information to be proactive and timely. Secondly, they want to get at the information fast when they need it. Thirdly, they're worried about the duplication and the cost of duplication in keeping the data. And lastly, they're worried about joining up all the information that they have on clients. So how does a CRM system help you overcome some of these challenges that businesses have with information? Well, firstly, a CRM system can give you an alert when a client is at risk by using profiling based on past information that you've kept on them. Secondly, the CRM can provide a single source of the truth which can be accessed by everyone. Thirdly, the CRM can be a single point of entry so that you don't duplicate information across various systems. And fourthly, a CRM system can be integrated with third parties systems such as an accounting system so that you collect all of the information in one place. How does the way that a CRM helps you to keep information on clients and prospects add resilience and value to your business? Well, firstly, it enables you to take timely action to protect your revenue by giving you at-risk alerts based on profiles that you do on your clients. Secondly, it means that you can access up-to-date and accurate information which helps you to develop the relationships you've got with those accounts. And thirdly, it means that you can identify ideal clients and help to convert them more easily by using this information. How can you use the information that you've collected in a CRM to talk to your clients and prospects as individuals and make your marketing messages more effective? Well, a marketing message is effective when it reaches the right person, it reaches them at the right time, and it's relevant to them. When I talk to businesses about how they use information at the moment to market to their prospects and clients, they tell me that they use market segmentation, which are broad generalizations. It means that they don't know what their individual prospects and clients are interested in. They don't really know how their products or services can meet those interests. And they don't know when the clients and prospects might be interested. How does a CRM help you solve some of these communication problems and help you to talk to your clients and prospects as individuals? Well, a CRM does this through learning about your clients by engagement. It automates the way that you engage with your clients through things like autoresponders, so that you do learn what individuals are interested in, and you know when they are going to be interested in it and when they're ready to buy, and also how your products and services meet these individual needs. A CRM adds resilience to your business and value to your relationships by making your marketing communications more effective, helping you to convert more of your prospects to clients, and also messaging to your clients appropriately, so building long-term relationships. How does a CRM help you listen to what your clients are saying and to understand it effectively? Well, effective listening is about the message being received by the right person, about it being understood, and about some action being taken. When I talk to businesses about this, they've got some concerns. Firstly, those messages are often coming through unconnected channels of communication, such as email, social media, websites, chat, phone, and many others. Secondly, the messages are often received by different people in different places and using different systems. So that means that thirdly, they can't see the whole conversation in one single place. And lastly, it's very difficult to understand who has done what and when they have received the messages. How does a CRM help you to listen more effectively and understand what your clients are saying and solve some of the problems that businesses have? Well, firstly, a CRM system can be integrated with all of these channels of communication so that you can bring them together in one place. That also means that single place or single version of the truth is accessed by everyone so that you can see the whole conversation, and it also shows you who has done what and when through using task and activity management. So how does this help build resilience in your business and also value to your client and prospect relationships? Well, firstly, by listening and understanding, it means that you can personalise the service and the way that you deal with clients and prospects. Secondly, it means that you can manage client relationships in a more responsive way. And thirdly, it means that you can convert more of your sales opportunities by having a more effective sales process. How does a CRM help you to deliver exactly what each individual client wants? That's a very important question these days because it's difficult to differentiate what you sell from everyone else. And the only way of doing that is to bundle it with the way that you deliver it so that you provide an individual solution for each client. When I talk to businesses about the problems they have doing this, they talk about three things. The first thing is, how can they guarantee the quality when they're delivering different things? Secondly, how can they manage the reordering of products when they deliver it in a different way? And the third is, in doing this, how do they actually manage their margins and control costs? How can a CRM help businesses to overcome some of the problems they've got with delivering exactly what clients want? Well, firstly, a CRM can use a combination of blueprints and workflows to create individual processes for each client. Secondly, they can record these individual processes against each order so that they can be repeated. Thirdly, the way that these are designed can take into account the costs and also how to manage the profit margins. How does using your CRM to deliver exactly what your client wants every time add resilience and value to your business? Well, firstly, it means that you're creating an unbeatable competitive advantage at the individual level, which isn't based on price. Secondly, it means that you are developing loyalty with your client through co-creating a solution which they've helped to design. And thirdly, you can use this experience to develop unbeatable proposals for your prospects so you close more business. What have we learnt from this? A CRM can provide resilience and build value in your business through knowing more about your clients so that you can protect your margins and revenue, using that information to communicate with them as individuals, which makes your marketing messages more powerful, by listening and understanding what your clients are saying, you can close more business, and by delivering exactly what they want, you can create unbeatable competitive advantage. And by doing that every time, you can build trust, which leads to referrals and repeat business. If you want to know how to do this, I will be explaining that in my next session.